We just left Big Sound Marina. It's Monday morning. It's actually Monday afternoon at 1 o'clock. Heading over for fuel at the fuel dock here. Cute little town. Not much here, but some stuff. Quite a few restaurants actually. Pretty place. This is Georgian Bay Airways. Seaplanes, 3 of them tied up here. Sound Boat Works. We're going there for fuel and pump out since the place we just tried did not have it, did not have diesel. This is where Lazy Susan is having the wheels replaced, the wheels fixed and put back on their boat after a minor meeting with the ground. Guy's pretty crazy, just got across my bow. Here we are in Killarney. It's 6:05 p.m. Beautiful fjord. Beautiful fjord that we're in here. Little island there. Bunch of birds. A few other boats in here. Couldn't make it to where we wanted to make it to today, but we'll get it tomorrow. No point in going outside and getting beat up. The wind was howling. It's not howling here because we're protected by that right there. Pretty substantial tree line blocking the wind, but you can see the tops of the leaves. The wind is coming right over the top of us. If we were out there, you can see whitecaps, and it's pretty nasty, but not here. Very tight anchorage. Very tight. This is Windsor. We just went through that little narrow stretch right there. A couple other boats in here. Magnificent. Absolutely magnificent. Another sea ray over there. A bunch of boats in here. It's the anchorage. This is Windsor. They got 12 feet. Do they? Yep. This is absolutely amazing. What an amazing place we're in. Looking for a good place to drop 2 hooks. One to the trees on the beach and one out off the bows. This is Windsor. Very beautiful fjord. Yep. Got our lines into the trees, 2 lines into 2 trees out there. Stern lines. A big rock formation right there. Got about 10 feet of water under the keel. Some of the toys. Over there. Beautiful here. We just took a kayak ride that was amazing. The beauty just never ceases. Unbelievable. So different than anything we've ever seen before. Everybody should get to experience what we're experiencing. There's a similar boat to mine. It's a Sea Ray 38. Aft cabin. Beautiful. I guess they call us a fjord. I guess it's a fjord. Very deep. Too deep to anchor in a lot of spots. But absolutely breathtaking beauty. There's a little island over there. We're going to go there and actually out on that rock have a campfire later on tonight. Windsor, Ontario. We're in a shallow fjord. Getting ready for a campfire tonight. Right there. Brian and Judy looking for a fishing spot. Looking for a fishing spot. Right. So is it a pinched nerve? Right. Yeah. Here we are, it's Wednesday. We're getting ready to head to, we're heading north to Killarney. We'll probably have a couple stops along the way. Beautiful fjord here that we spent the night in. Now we gotta weave our way out of here.
Are you on the solid red line yet? Narrows.
Agates Narrows. No.
On your way?
No. Coming into Bing Inlet. So this is Wright's Marina. Cute little place. It's on a river. There's our traveling companions boat. That's Brian out there. Pretty interesting place. This amazing sailboat here is an island packet, and we just met these folks tonight. They're doing the Great Loop, and we came in from that way, right there, but quite far out, probably 5 miles to the open water down this river. Maybe not that much. Anyway, it's beautiful. They do have bear locks or bear-proof dumpsters, and all the garbage pails are bear-proof, and they have snap locks on them. Eventually the bears will probably figure out how to take those off, but right now that tells us that there are bears in the area, which I'm not surprised because there's so much wilderness. So it's Wednesday evening. Hope to get some work done on the generator and have the batteries checked, and then hopefully we'll be getting underway for the next anchorage. The anchor windlass failed yesterday, or this morning rather, when we were leaving. I got it all jammed up, and Brian and I took it apart today and fixed it, and now so that should be all set. So anyway, tomorrow's Thursday, and we'll hopefully be getting underway about noon. There's some of the folks' boats that came in. It's Tim on near miss, heading down the road. It's Thursday morning. We're in Wright's Marina, spent the night here. Go. Carol and Tim heading down the road Thursday.
Looks like Boy Scouts.
Yeah, canoe is coming by.
Hey, how cute is that?
Just a bunch of kayakers enjoying the great day. Here we are at Wright's Marine. It's Thursday night. Getting ready to head north tomorrow morning, Friday. This is the 28th. We'll be heading out on the 29th. It's actually a spectacular evening. Just shared some cocktails with some of the other boaters from Canada. Very friendly folks. Look at that scenery. Just amazing. Amazing folks. Beautiful shrubbery. It's a very cute marina. People have gardens everywhere. Very pretty. It is Friday, July 29th. We are heading north to a group of islands. The name of the island group is the Busters. So we are heading to the Busters, about 15 miles, actually 20 miles from Wright's Marina here in Britt. So we're going to do a quick pump out and then get heading on our way. Brian's arm, his shoulder is still pretty bad, so I'll have to help out as much as I can. He's like me, he'll use that shoulder and extend the healing time. So we are underway from Wright's Marina, heading to the Bustards. It is 10:30 in the morning. We wanted to get underway sooner, but it just didn't happen. We just finished a pump out and a little provisioning this morning. All set now. 27-mile ride on the small craft channel. Ella did a dive?
Yeah, she did a good one. It's nothing to kind of fun. I like pushing her side. You know, just go do your thing. Go do your thing. All right.
have now entered the North Channel. It's Friday, July 29th at 11:05 a.m. Been underway for about a half hour, and just saw that we're in the North Channel. I see some mountains out there in the far distance. Pretty beautiful here. Pretty amazing.
It's actually right opposite that point. Okay, we're going through this very narrow channel. It's just really gorgeous. But you can see the rocks are real close to us. There's the buoy, and there's the rocks.
You notice we got this blue-green water backing in.
And the blue-green water that we see
It's not like that up there.
through here is just beautiful.
Take a picture of that. Take a look at that.
Okay, I'm going to try to get some of this video here to show you what we just went through.
I'm looking at a mountain range in the far distance there. I'm going to try to zoom in on it. I don't know if it's going to be able to be seen. Looks pretty neat. This is the start of the Bustard Islands. Some pretty good mountains in the background there.
At anchor. Don't know if we'll be able to see it again from this side. I'm gonna try. When the boats so long that by the time they finished everything, they said they didn't have time to do the anchor windlass. They were supposed to install it. So see? We could have been anywhere. Right?
Yep. Much easier to anchor here. So here we are on one of the little outcroppings. This may not be an outcropping, this may not be an island, which means bears probably have access to this very point that we're standing on. And this is bear country, I think. Anyway, You can see all the boulders under the water. That's what we were contending with when we came in here. You have to kind of pick your way around.
Okay, now take the glasses off.
Absolutely amazing beauty here.
Beautiful.
Rocks and trees. That's what this is all about. Rocks and trees. Every now and then you see a little cottage or a big cottage along the way. Not so much here. I think I see one down there a bit on that little island. But this is the wilderness. This is absolutely amazing. I feel bad for anybody that doesn't get to experience this. Just walking to the other end here. Little lagoon. Check the boulders out, the rocks under the water here. The water's pretty clear, pretty clean, and rock formations everywhere under the water. Back in the Ice Age, when the glaciers were here, this whole area, this whole shelf was compressed several feet. And now it's starting to come back, starting to return to its original shape over millions of years. Pretty amazing. Today there are very few boats, 1, 2, 4 on the other side where we are, maybe 4 on around the corner from us. Tomorrow this will be wall-to-wall boats because it's a long holiday in Canada, and everybody will be heading out here either this afternoon or tomorrow morning, and this place will be packed. I don't think there'll ever be mountains, but they are returning to the way it was several million years ago. This is truly the wilderness.
Out of my way before I take a picture of your butt.
There's Brian with his broken arm. We don't know what's wrong with it actually. We're trying to get it figured out. That sound is somebody's generator right next to our boat, about 100 feet away. And I imagine it's going to be there till late tonight. Hopefully not through the night. Today is Saturday, July 30th. We are in a channel, a fjord I guess you'd say. Anchored up. We anchored here yesterday. We'll spend one more day here before heading on toward Killarney, but with 2 or 3 more anchorages. It is 9:19 and I'm about to go into the aft bilge to fix the aft bilge pump.